Welcome to this essential training on mental health awareness and suicide prevention. As security professionals, we play a vital role in ensuring the safety of those around us. But sometimes, that means being alert to signs of mental distress in individuals and knowing how to respond appropriately when people are in crisis. Recognizing the signs of mental health distress and responding in a supportive and responsible way can make a world of difference. In this training, we will cover how to identify mental health distress, respond to crises effectively, and offer support to those in need.
First, let's talk about how to identify the signs of mental health distress. Recognizing these signs early can help you take the right action before a situation escalates. Mental health distress can look different from person to person, but common signs include changes in behavior, sudden withdrawal, mood swings or agitation, verbal cues, expressing feelings of hopelessness or worthlessness, saying things like, "I can't do this anymore." Physical signs: trembling, excessive sweating and appearing disheveled or unwell, changes in speech, speaking slowly, hurriedly or with difficulty, unusual or erratic movements, pacing, fidgeting or other signs of restlessness. If you notice any of these signs in an individual, it's important to assess the situation calmly and approach them with empathy. However, it's equally important to remember that not all signs will be immediately obvious.
When you encounter someone who is clearly in distress, it's crucial to respond with care and to de-escalate the situation. Here are some steps to follow in a mental health emergency.
Step 1. Assess the situation. Before approaching someone in distress, take a moment to assess the situation. If the individual is acting aggressively or seems dangerous to themselves or others, it's important to call for additional support from law enforcement or medical professionals. Step 2. Approach calmly and with empathy. Approach the individual in a calm, non-threatening manner. Speak in a soothing voice and show empathy. Avoid making sudden movements that could escalate the situation. Let the individual know you are there to help. Step 3. Listen actively. Encourage the individual to talk, but do not force them to speak. Active listening means giving them your full attention, nodding to show you understand, and refraining from judgment. Use open-ended questions like, "How can I help?" or "What are you feeling right now?" Step 4. Offer support and resources. If the individual feels comfortable, ask if they would like help with contacting mental health professionals, family members or friends. If necessary, call emergency services. In some cases, individuals may not be able to articulate their needs, and that's where we can step in and offer support. Sometimes the distress an individual is experiencing could be linked to thoughts of suicide. As security personnel, we must be aware of suicide warning signs and know how to intervene appropriately. If you hear someone expressing suicidal thoughts or see drastic behavioral changes, it's important to act immediately. When you encounter someone threatening to harm themselves, don't ignore the situation. Respond with the following steps. Stay calm, remain calm and composed. Your behavior will influence how the individual responds. Ask directly. If you suspect someone is contemplating suicide, ask them directly. Are you thinking about harming yourself? Listen and offer support. Listen empathetically without judgment. Let them know they are not alone and that help is available. Call for help, contact emergency services or a mental health crisis team immediately. Time is crucial and professional intervention is essential in these cases. As security professionals, we must always be aware of mental health signs and be prepared to offer support. Remember, your actions can save lives, whether you're simply offering a listening ear or calling for the help the individual needs.
Thank you for completing this mental health awareness and suicide prevention training. By staying alert, compassionate, and informed, you help create a safer, more supportive environment for everyone.